Welcome one and all. Myself K. Surisha, working as assistant professor in mechanical engineering department in MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Today I would like to teach the subject of operations research for third year's first semester. So I will continue my topics. Types of operations. What are the types of operations? Simulation. Simulation can be defined as creating a fake model of a real system. Different experiments are conducted on the artificial model to determine various outcomes by varying random variables. New strategies and concepts are designed and implemented in simulation to test them before applying them to a real system. The purpose of using different approaches on a fake system is to check the effectiveness of the different strategies without distributing the real system. So we take a fake model and we are put some experiments on them and take the results. So by taking the different values put on them and take the values, so that is all the simulation. So like we feel like a real, but it is not a real, it is a fake. Linear programming. So it is very important in our operations research. We are do some problems relating to our linear programming. So it is called as LPP. Linear programming is one of the most important operations research tools. This approach is used to determine solutions by considering both constraints and objectives. So in linear programming, we considered both objectives and constraints. So our objective tells us how to minimize or maximize, and constraints and depending upon the constraints. For example, the aim of our organization is to maximize by considering the limiting factors. By considering limiting factors, and our organization get the maximized profit. Linear programming tools determine all possible combinations of goals and limiting factors to determine what can be done to achieve the desired outcome, and also unexpected factors can affect the desired ideal outcome. So it is a combination of goals and limiting factors to determine what it can be done to achieve the desired output. In nonlinear programming, tool is more suitable for real problems of the system because not all factors are linear all the time. Only limited factors are considered in linear programming, and not all the factors are linear all the time in nonlinear programming. Operation research models classification. This is very important in the exam point of view. Based on structure. So models or classification, first point is based on structure. So physical model. These models give physical appearance of real object in reduced or scaled up form. These are further divided into two categories. Iconic model. Iconic model, how it is? Physical or pictorial representation of the various aspects of the system. Example, blueprints, globes, templates. So those are all the iconic models. What is analog models? These models represent a system by a set of properties different from the original system. Like example, a network of water pipes to show flow of current in a electrical network, level indicator in a automobile petrol tank. Symbolic model. These models use symbols either in the form of letters, mathematical operators to represent the properties of the system. These are further classified into two types. One is verbal models. These models use it to describe a situation in written or spoken language in the form of letters, words, or symbols. Example like a differential equation representing a dynamic system. And second one is mathematical model. So how mathematical model, the decision variables of the system under consideration are represented by mathematical equations or inequations. Linear programming model to decide product. Mixed problem manufacturing. And another one is based on purpose and nature. Descriptive models These models use surveys, questionnaire results, inference of observations to describe the situation. Example, plant layout diagram, block diagram of an algorithm. Next, predictive model. These models are the results of query, what will follow if this occurs or does not occur, preventive maintenance, troubleshooting, chart or processes. Normative model or optimization models. These models are designed to provide optimal solution to problem subject to certain limitations or constraints on use of resources, like LPP problem. In LPP problem, consider objective and constraints. So depend upon the constraints. So we get the optimal solution, that is nothing but optimization models based on certainty. Deterministic model, which means if all the parameters of decision variables constant and the functional relationship are known with certainty. So if you know all the values, so we can solve it. That is a deterministic model. Then the model is said to be deterministic. Example, game with the saddle points. Probabilistic or stochastic model is nothing but this is the model in which at least example, this method is the model in which at least one of the decisions variable or parameter is random in nature. So Queuing models games without a saddle point. And next, based on time difference. So static model, dynamic model. Static model, which means a time, these models present a system at a time, specified time, which do not account for changes over a certain period of time. Replacement of mission where money value is not changing with the time. Dynamic model is considered as one of the variables impact of changes generated by the time is accounted while selecting optimal course of action. Example, replacement of model where money value changes with them. Here money value changes with the time. If it does not change with time, here money value changes with the time is dynamic model. Operation research models in practice. Allocation models, inventory models, replacement models, sequencing models, game theory models, weight line or queuing models, network models, simulation models. Other operation techniques, nonlinear programming, dynamic programming, heuristic programming, integer programming, algorithmic programming, quadratic programming, parametric programming, probabilistic programming, and finally research theory. Finally, operations research. Uh, operation research, origin and development. So formal activities of operations were initiated in England during Second World War, where a team of British scientists set out to make decisions. Okay, today war is a dominant and indispensable decision making tool. So those are all the origin and development. See once, characteristics and operations, scientific approach. Sorry, operation is a systematic approach. And next, interdisciplinary team approach means sociological, biological, statistical. So those are all aspects of any problem by the assistance of engineering, economics, management and computer experts. Operation research increases creativity ability of the decision maker. And finally, operation scientific approach is defining, observing, formulating, testing, analyzing. Next, best objective approach. And finally, it is a digital computer. Like many quantitative techniques are available in the form of canned programs, quantitative solution, continuing process, optimizing nature, human judgment. Advantages: it gives a better system, better control, better decisions, better coordinating system. And limitations: it depends upon the electric computer. It does not take in the non-quantifiable factors, and the distance spent in the manager and operations research, and money and time cost and implementation. So I hope understand, students. Thank you. Record